Hi there, students. Fodder. Okay, fodder is a noun. I think it can be both countable and uncountable. Okay, fodder is food for animals, particularly hay or straw to give to cows or sheep or other livestock, other farm animals. The farmer grew turnips for fodder for his herd of cows. Okay, so the food that's given to horses and other domestic animals. Now, we can also use this word fodder to mean something that is good for, and probably only good for one particular purpose. So, cheaply made soap operas are fodder for the masses to view on television. The journalist used the politician's comments as fodder to make jokes about him. So fodder, it's like a raw material going in, a material that you use as a basis for something. Something that serves as inspiration or encouragement for something. Politicians are good fodder for comedians. They're good food. They're a good raw material to use to make jokes about. We have this collocation cannon fodder. I think in the Napoleonic times, the ordinary soldiers were viewed as cannon fodder, food for the cannon, something to supply the cannons with, the enemy cannons, so people to be killed so that you could obtain your objectives. Cannon fodder, something worthless people, effectively. The information that I found in internet was very good fodder for the essay that I was going to write. I saw a book referred to as beach fodder. A good book to read at the beach, something because you probably read several in a 2-week holiday at the beach, so it's good fodder for that. Okay, so fodder, this is related to the word food, as you can see. Okay, so fodder, something that is a good supply of something. Unqualified young people are viewed as factory fodder. Something to supply the factories with workers with. So fodder, a person or a thing that is looked at as a good raw material or a good source for some sort of use. The journalist used the press conference as fodder to continue attacking the politician. My mailbox always used to be full of promotional fodder. Promotional fodder for the mass media. This could be fodder for celebrity gossip. This is perfect fodder for the tabloid journalists. This provides fodder for the work that he's doing. Scandals are the fodder of tabloids, of tabloid journalists. So, formality. I think I'm going to give it a 5.5 informality. I think you could use it anywhere. Use it in an informal conversation. It's a good word to use in an essay and even in a very formal context as well. And then as to origin, well, there's an Old English word, fodder, meaning feed or fodder, feed for an animal, and that comes from Proto-Germanic fodra, yeah, which again is food, and all of these are related to the word food, which itself comes from a Proto-Indo-European word, pe, meaning to feed or to graze your animals or to guard them as well. Okay, so fodder, a good raw material for something, or the food that you give to animals, particularly straw, hay, things like that. Enough. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you soon. Bye for now. Fodder.